हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू स्मार्ट क्लास बाय नेहा यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम पढ़ेंगे साइबर सिक्योरिटी, जो कि सेमेस्टर 4 के एग्जामिनेशन में आने वाला है और वो माइनर सब्जेक्ट है। इसमें टोटल मार्क्स 100 मार्क्स का होगा। इसका क्रेडिट है 4 और इसमें पासिंग मार्क्स है 40। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहले पढ़ेंगे फंडामेंटल ऑफ साइबर सिक्योरिटी। द फंडामेंटल ऑफ साइबर सिक्योरिटी इंक्लूड द CIA ट्रायड, विच स्टैंड्स फॉर confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Confidentiality ensures that only authorized people can access sensitive information and functions. Integrity ensures that data is accurate and unaltered during storage and transfer. Availability ensures that systems, functions, and data are available on demand when needed. Security incidents like DDoS attacks, hardware failures, and human errors can make information unavailable. Other fundamentals of cybersecurity include cybersecurity framework. This framework includes 5 functions: identify, protect, detect, respond, and recover. Firewalls. These monitor and filter incoming and outgoing network traffic to block destructive traffic and allow secure traffic to flow. Data backup. Backing up data to external drives is a standard measure to ensure availability. Now, some tips for cybersecurity include using unique password for each account and service, using a password manager, updating or downloading legitimate security software, is checking your credit card statement regularly, reporting attack to FTC, considering cyber insurance to protect your business from losses. फ्रेंड्स, इसे याद जरूर करें एग्ज़ाम के लिए, लेकिन समझ के, क्योंकि ये आपके लिए भी ज़रूरी है, केवल एग्ज़ाम के लिए नहीं। तो चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। Define cyberspace. Cyberspace is a virtual space where people and organizations can interact, share information, and conduct business through the internet and other electronic communication. It's made up of interconnected networks of computers, devices, and systems that enable communication and data exchange. The term cyberspace comes from the word cybernetics and space. It was popularized in the early 1980s by American science fiction author William Gibson in his book Neuromancer. Cyberspace has become a significant part of modern life, allowing people to communicate globally, conduct business, and support technological innovation. However, it also presents security challenges such as cyber attacks, data breaches, and digital espionage. Without proper education and security, cyberspace can be especially dangerous for children and the elderly. Now, computer and web technology. Computer and web technology are related in a number of ways, including communication. Web technology is a way for computer to communicate with each other using markup language and multimedia package. Web browsers. A web browser is a software application that display web pages which are accessed via hyperlinks. Web development. Web development is the process of creating and maintaining websites and web application. Programming. Programming is the process of writing a computer program, which is a set of instructions for a computer to execute. Now, some key components of web technology including हाइपरटेक्स्ट मार्कअप लैंग्वेज HTML। ये पूछा जा सकता है 1 नंबर की मार्क क्वेश्चन में कि HTML का फुल फॉर्म क्या है, तो आप देख लीजिए, हाइपरटेक्स्ट मार्कअप लैंग्वेज। The fundamental building block of web pages, defining the structure and layout of content. Cascading Style Sheet (CSS) used to add visual style and design element to HTML documents. JavaScript, a programming language used to create dynamic content and interactive effect within web browsers. ये भी एक मार्क्स के क्वेश्चन में आ सकता है कि जावा स्क्रिप्ट क्या होता है या फिर व्हाट इज़ जावा स्क्रिप्ट, तो आप ये डेफिनेशन लिख सकते हैं. Web servers, software programs that handle requests from web browsers and deliver web pages and content to users. Databases, systems that handle storage, retrieval, and query of data. Web frameworks, software framework that provide pre-built modules, libraries, and tools to simplify वेब डेवलपमेंट प्रोसेस. सो फ्रेंड्स, वीडियो ज़्यादा लंबा ना हो इसलिए वीडियो यहीं पे रोकते हैं. वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक शेयर ज़रूर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो पे. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.